Welcome to Taveuni Airport in Fiji. Our guest today, Rotary Club of Taveuni's Peter Brown.
Let me tell you about the Dreketi village primary school, which was destroyed by a series of landslips 8 months after Cyclone Winston. That was in 2016, 6 years ago. They still don't have a school. The children are taught in what looks like a badly built hen house, and most of those children have no memory of the school that the village was very proud of. Why didn't the Fiji government rebuild the school? Because every available dollar was being spent rebuilding schools that were destroyed by Winston. 4 years on, the rebuild by Education Department was ready to commence when COVID hit. 1 year later, Cyclone Yasa and Anna roared across the northern division of Fiji and destroyed more schools. Last year, 2 members of the Dreketi School Trust approached Helen and I, telling us that they weren't getting a new school. They had dropped off the list. Can Rotary please help? Since then, we have redesigned a new school. We have working drawings and a permit. We have an accurate bill of quantities and a build cost. We have a builder ready to start. And we have over 124,000 New Zealand dollars in the bank. All we need is 40,000 New Zealand dollars to start building.